Yeah, it's raining outside. For some reason I'm sad on the inside, but I'm trying to keep in stride, gathering all my pride. Sorry, but I'm fried. Look at how much I cried, I almost died. That was a mess of a ride. Time is on my side. Losers always hide. God is my guide. Space is wide. Rules I abide. Yeah, I'm heavy with my words. I'm a bit of a nerd. I journey down that long road, ignoring the code, trying to act bold. That's how my story unfolds. As I get older, my character molds. I'm always doing as I'm told. My heart is pure gold. Ayy.
When it rains, it pours, yeah. Hey, yeah. When it rains, it pours. Yeah, yeah. When it rains, it pours. Oh, oh, oh.
Ayy. Is it weird that we have to pay to be alive? Immunity took a dive. We can't blame our government. Truth is, no one knows what the good ones win. Everyone for the streets, everyone takes the heat. The rest of us roll with it. We gotta shrug our shoulders and do jack shit. What happened to us all? God gave us a call. How do I stand tall and watch others fall? Why do I laugh at their dismay day after day? Cause I'm afraid I'll get trampled. My life is not something to be gambled. I don't know if I'll ever come back, but I gotta leave on a good track, at least with my fellow humans. I ain't trying to be stupid. I wanna know there isn't actually a God, or are people just frauds? Creating myths and legends, hoping to blend in. It doesn't make sense.
Rains, it pours, yeah.
When
When it
it rains, it
pours.
pours. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
it rains.
When it
It
rains, it
rains, it
pours.